Let's talk about the second tool. It is the quick selection tool. So if you click and hold, the second one will be the quick selection tool. It is also very easy to use. Um, we have a brush like this, and you just paint inside an object, then it is selected. You can click here to change the size of the brush, or use the square bracket key on your keyboard as a shortcut to adjust the size of the brush. So to select a larger item, we use a larger brush size, and to select smaller item, we use a smaller brush size. So the quick selection tool is a little bit more flexible than the object selection tool. So let me show you an example. If I want to select this sofa on this picture, we can start from a quite bigger brush size and quickly paint over the sofa to select the main parts. And then we can see there are imperfections here and there, and the legs are not selected. So now I need to adjust the brush size to make it smaller, or use the shortcut, the square bracket key. The left square bracket is to reduce the brush size, and the right one is to increase the brush size. So now I'm going to make the brush size smaller. And also I'm on the second one here now. So this is add to selection. So wherever I'm painting, it is added to the existing selection. So I will make the brush size even smaller to work with these details. And let me select this corner too. I'm going to make the brush size a little bit bigger and also paint here. Okay. And there. Now let me work on this part. So this is the wall. So I don't want this part to be selected, and also this corner is also the wall. Then I'm going to change to the subtract from selection here, and now wherever I paint, it will be removed from the selection. And again, you can adjust your brush size, and at the corner you can make brush size very small, but it's okay if things are not perfect. Okay, here I accidentally selected subtract too much from the selection, so I'm going back to the add to selection and then add this part back. So here there is very little contrast between the object and the background. So I think that's the best I can do. And now I think this object is selected good, and then we can click and drag it to our canvas.